This is our second game. Litran versus University of the North.
Ito yung sir, reported court ng 47. Reported court na tayo sa Rotan.
First five, ball, Litran. First five on UN.
Nisip naman ng sahod na.
Sahod na bigyan.
Yung mga iba, di ba sinasabi ng sahod na nisip na sahod?
Pero ano sabi niya?
Yung mga iba,
Hindi ano sabi?
14,
Dapat magpunod pa siya. Ito sabi mo, dapat kung lawa sa konti. Yung kukunin lahat.
Now on UN. Panlapyo. Layat. 10 to shoot. Paras. Rebound again on UN. 10 to shoot. Rebound on Pipito.
Ano sabi niyo?
hindi.
Ano sinabi?
Yung mga iba,
Ano sabi nga dito? Ito po naman. Sabi siya bawas na bawas.
Now Paras. Layag. Again, top. Rebound on Litran. Now Norcos drive. Norcos goes. Too strong. Rebound on Paras. Paras. To Palapyo. Again, in and out. Rebound again by UN. It's Litran ball. Litran. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Pipito. Norcos. Short. It's UN again. UN. Now Lion. First team foul on Litran.
Number 5.
number 5, Pipito.
Foul on Pipito. First on Pipito. On 35 on Norcos. Norcos 35 on Norcos. First on Norcos. Now 1-0. Norcos. 3-second violation against Litran. It's 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Our second game, second match. Litran versus University of the North. Layag. Manakit. Layag. Open jump. Bang! On Layag. 3-0. Pipito. Block by Manakit. Pipito again. 40 to shoot. Pipito side step. Nice fake. It's University of the North ball. It's 7 minutes.
Pahinga.
All by University of the North, 3 against 0. Now, rebound again by Litran. It's Tabon. Nice defense of Manakit. It's same ball. Time out. All Litran. This timeout is brought to you by Horror Sports, Basketballista, and Jowong and Company. Pipito, guarded by 2. Aki. 2 deep. Managit now. It's guarded by Norco 6. Ultimate violation. Turnover again by UN. It's 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Our second match is UN versus Litran. Norcos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On off the post, Norcos. 3-all. 6 minutes. Now Paras. Layag. Bang! On Layag. 5-3. It's 2-point lead back to UN. Pipino. Too strong. Tap. Rebound on Palapio. Kick ball. It's UN again ball. UN. 5 minutes and 29 seconds.
Galing sa shooter, oy. Walang tumadali sa shooter nila, ha?
Now Layag. Panopio. Back to Layag. Managit. Nice pass. Downside. Again, too strong. Rebound. On Michael. Now Pipito. 1-1. Pipito drive. Pipito. Nice pass downside to Norcos. Norcos back. Short. Top. To Aki. Now Norcos. Pabon. Aki. Black behind. On Paras. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. In and out. Rebound again. Paras. Paras. Guarded by Aki. One more by Paras. In and out, Tapayaki, Michael. Now Norcos drive, goes, Norcos foul. Foul on Paras, time out. On University of the North, first on Paras. First team foul on UN. Time out is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Armos Fundamentals. Two free throw shot or Norcos. Now 5-4, 1 point lead on University of the North. It's 4 minutes and 37 seconds. First quarter. Tapayaki. Paras. Now guarded by Norcos. Paras. Guarded by Paul. Paras coast to coast. Rebound on Marbella. In and out again by Marbella. Panopio. Rebound on Pipito. Pipito to Norcos. Norcos drive, guarded by Layag, sidestep Norcos, still out, pabon, bang! Pabon again! It's University of the ball. 4 minutes! Now Paras. Too strong, top! Black! By the board, now Pabon, go to goal, Pabon drive, Pabon! Too strong, di pa may Paras! Paras! Nice move by Paras, short! Pipito! Pipito, side step, Pipito drive to Pabon, Pabon! Bang! On Pabon! It's 6-5, 1 point lead on the run. Now Layag. Paso manganib. In and out. Tap. Pinipan may paras. Panapyo. Guard Bayaki. Side step. Manangib. Wow! Ano ba may Manangib? In and out. Manangib again. Manganib. In and out again. Manganib. Manganib again. Panapyo. Still by Pabon. Now, Norcos time. Norcos goes to goes. Back rebound. On Marabella. Marabella to Paras. Manganib. Yes, on my 7-6. It's a 1-point lead on University of the North. Pipito guarded by Layag. It's 14 to shoot. Pipito. Crossover. Pipito twirl. Pipito drive. Pipito looking for top. Rebound on Layag. Layag to Paras. 1-1 by Norcos. Paras. It's 8-7. 9-6. It's 3-point lead against UN. 2 minutes. Norcos. 1-1 by Layag. Looking for Pipito. Pipito jump. Too strong. Tap by Aki. Layag. Layag is 2-1. Layag to Paras. Wala po may Paras. 11-6. 5-point lead on UN. Now Pipito. Two goals to Narcos. Michael. Kali by Manangib. Blank! Wala blank by 10 to shoot. Oh, Pavon! 8-11. It's 3-point lead on UN. Black! Intercepted again by Panopio. Yes, Panopio. Now 13 against 8. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Pabon. Aki. Too strong. Rebound ng Pabon. Foul. Foul on number 2 on Pabon. First on Pabon. Second team foul on Litran. 30 seconds.
Relax lang. Pahinga.
Paras. 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Paras. Black out. Traveling violation ng Paras. Nice defense on Pipito. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Five. Black. And for first quarter our score, it's 13-8. UN. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Nice move. Short. Rebound on UN. Now Jiragal. Guarded by CJ. 14 to shoot. 10. He's still by Litran. Nice coast to coast. Nice move. Yes. Now 10 to 13. It's 3-point lead on UN. Now, Giradal. Nice pass outside. Bintero. Block. Foul. Foul on number 29. 969. On Litran. Where's on Litran?
Wala namang
100 feet on. Short. Pintero again. Hey. Short. Pagtubag short. Pintero. Rebound again on Litran. It's 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Fourteen to shoot.
Ang dami ng litran.
CJ. Too strong by CJ.
Dribble.
Nice pass to General fake. General intercept again by Litran. It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Still score 13 to 10. 3-point lead on UN. CJ. Black. It's a ball. 14 to shoot. CJ. Bang! CJ, long two by CJ. 13-12. Now 1-point lead on North. Jardal. Uy. Bintero. Foul again on number 14 on Litran. Second team foul on Litran.
14. Posadas.
Ilan yun?
14. First.
First on Posadas.
Pilkan.
7 minutes and 32 seconds. Now CJ. Mayon, back to Pusadas.
Walang pasada sa 14. Wala.
It's UN ball, UN.
Ano kami dito pasada? Sabi pasada. Ba't na pasada kami pasada?
Uy! Too strong by Uy. Rebound on. It's traveling violation, traveling 6 minutes and 47 seconds. It's 13 against 12, all by UN.
Kami 16 minutes. Ano?
Lapit ninyo!
14 to shoot. CJ. Bang! On CJ. Now Uy. Still on Mayon. Mayon to Mayon. Oh, time out! On UN now 17 to 13. 4-point lead now, Litran. 6 minutes.
Bola!
Palagay. Uy. Bintero. Still on Fireman.
Set mo!
Now Fireman.
Pass na kagad oh, kunin nyo na. Screen.
Kadbay Kalagay. Fireman escape. Karma. Nice pass outside. Balik balance ng Maon.
Paharas mo na
It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Nauy. Jaradal, 14 to shoot. Kalagay. In and out. Rebound on Fireman. Fireman to Tekong drive. Tekong goes to goes. Foul. Foul on Kalagay. First on UN. First team foul on Kalagay.
Wala pa silang score. Mayo.
10 to shoot. CJ. Too strong. Bintero.
Baba!
Sige dito. Gitna.
Kunin mo si Jomo.
Oh, Bernabe. 15 to 17. 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oras, baba na.
2-point lead on Litran.
Sige.
Now Fireman. Guarded by. Stepping on the line on the Fireman. Nice defense. Against Jaradal.
Ganun lang. High post, isa.
Now Bernabe. Foul. Foul on number 26 on CJ. Third team foul on Litran. First on CJ.
Screen yung isa dulo.
Nauy. Oh, nice defense on Litran. It's 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Reserve timeout.
Tempo to sila, di ba?
Now Fireman.
Lapit. Lapitan mo na.
Card by Bernabe. Fireman scoop. Short. Iban by Uy.
Bigay mo na. Baba.
Uy, nice defense on Tikong. 3 minutes time out on Litran. This time out is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and UFBL Abu Dhabi. Second game for our NCAA. It's Litran against University of the North. 17 Litran and 15 by University of the North. 3 minutes and 16 seconds, second quarter. Jaradal. Bang! On Jaradal. It's 18-17.
Tulong mo.
It's University of the North ball. 2 minutes and 50. 1 point lead on North.
Pwesto, oy. Bawal sa depensa.
Now, Jaradal. Uy. Too strong. Top. Rebound on. Tikong now. Tikong. Guard by Jaradal. Tikong. Still by Bernabe. Uy. Drive. Stop up. Uy. Bang! Uy. 20 against 17. 3-point lead on North. Now, Fireman. Kadi by Kalagay. Tikong. Nice move. Pass to Moen. US now, 19-20. It's 1 point lead on UN. Offensive foul on Bernabe. 1 minute and 41 seconds.
Kuya. Laban, wala. Ito na laro.
Now, CJ. Fireman. Radway Kalikay.
Parasin mo na, pre!
14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 14 on Kalikay. Second team foul on UN. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Second on Kalikay. Nice one. Shot. Tigong. Whoa! 1 minute and 12 seconds. 21 against the 20. Uy! Same spot. Candy by CJ. Tiragal. Again, rebound by CJ. CJ. Baseball pass. Now it's 2 and 1. It's 50 seconds. Seconds. Fourteen to shoot. 38 seconds. Kirdal. Rebound on Bernabe. Whoa! Bernabe. 22 to 21. 25 seconds.
Kunin nyo na, kunin nyo na.
15.
Second.
Black foul. Foul on number 10. On Uy. First on Uy. Third on University of the North. 13 seconds.
Baba na tayo. Nasaan sila? Anis nila, anis nila.
Foul on number 69 on Fireman. Warning for penalty on Litran. 12 seconds.
Penalty! Takbo, Bray! Takbo!
Bintero.
Oh.
Oh! Basket cannon. Kalagay. End of our second quarter. It's 24 against 21.
Bakit 21?
Sir, bawas muna tayo, sir. Sir, bawas tayo ngayon. Bawas tayo. Next last game, hindi kayo nagbigay. Bawas kayo. Konti lang.
22, Sir Mike. Nagaling tayo sa 20 din, mag-22.
Dito, UN yun. Ilan din sa'yo? Dito.
Literal 21.
Dito po yun.
Magbabayad ako ng 300. Pagkatapos ako sa...
Tapos
May 300 akong nasin.
It's UN ball. UN third quarter.
Sobra ng 10? Sobra?
Oo, sobra.
Ha?
It's UN ball. UN.
Ilan pa yung sila, literal.
Third quarter.
14.
Now Layag. Manganip. Back to Layag. 14 to shoot. Nice big. Manganip. Bang! 26 to 21. It's 5-point lead. All UN. Pipito. Tigong. Back to Pipito. Now Pipito escape. Pipito run. Bang! Basket count on one on Pipito. Who's brought up? Foul on number 23. First team foul on UN. 9 minutes and 14 seconds.
Yung foul din.
Early entry. 26 to 23. It's 3-point lead on UN.
Bakay ka, mag-high post.
Di gusto mo.
Now, Di Guzman. Looking for... Back to Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Opened up by Di Guzman. Short. Di ba Pipino? Pipino. Manganip.
Ay, wala.
It's kickball. Kickball. 26 against the 23.
Ano kayo ng isa nyo? Tingin na ng isa nyo.
Now, CJ.
Mike sa back.
Opo.
Wala pa 10 minutes.
10, 14 to shoot.
Rep.
Norcos. Too strong. Tikong. Carusale.
Iowa for
In and out. Tapaw. All again on number 37 on UN.
Iskara, iba yan.
37 naman karaan.
Dalawa yan. Iskara.
Norcos. Tikong. In and out. Rebound on Di Guzman. Now Di Guzman. Got it by Norcos. Short. Now CJ. Tikong. 1 and 1. Tikong. Drive. Tikong. Yes, on Tikong. 25-26. It's 1-point lead on UN. Palomares. Nice pass. Strong move. Foul. Foul on number 29 on Litran. Carusale. First on Carusale. First team foul on Litran. It's troubling, violation, troubling. 7 minutes!
Sigitan nyo kagad yung mga tao nyo.
Now Pipino. Nice rebound by UN. Now Layag. 1-1 by CJ. Layag. Looking for Karang. Layag, side step. Yes, now 28 against the 25. Carusale, turnover again by Pipino. It's UN. Timeout. Only run. It's 28 against the 25. All by University of the North. Now, Di Guzman. Palomares.
Tangat.
14 to shoot. Palomares. Wow! Palomares. 30 to 25. It's 5-point lead on UN. Tikong. Layag. Layag to Di Guzman. It's 3 on 2. To Manganep to Layag. Di Guzman. Scoop. Yes, oh, Di Guzman. 32 to 25. Now 7-point lead against UN. Carusale. Escape. Carusale. Layag. Layag to yes, on Norcos. Manangalip. Di Guzman. Layag. Yes, on Layag. It's 34 against the 25. 9-point lead on UN. Tikong. Pipino. Too strong by Pipino. Now Mangalip all in one. Mangalip. Yes, on Mangalip. It's 36 On 25. In and out. Layag. It's 2-1. Layag. 3-2. Layag. Pass to Manganib to. Layag. Layag again. Layag pa. 3-second violation. Time out. On UN is 36. Against the 25. 11 point lead on UN.
Pwede na mag-sub, pwede mag-sub.
Ubus na sila sa taas.
Nawaki. Pipito. Turnover on the run. 36-25. Palomares. Paras, Carbayaki. Guzman.
Screen kayo, screen!
Anto Paras, big. Palomares downside. Palomares, time to shoot!
Nice!
Whoa! Palomares! 38-25, it's 13 point lead on UN.
Backdoor ha!
Aki. Foul on number 37 on UN. On third on UN. 13 foul on number 37 Karang. Foul on number 17 on Bernabe. Warning for penalty on University of the North. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Second on Bernabe. Pipito. Paras. 1-1 by Rosale. Paras drive. Block! By Rosale. Substitution left, block. It's 3 minutes and 41 seconds.
High post ha!
Paras to Guzman.
Screen! Labas isa!
Take the shoot.
Chat!
Paras. Bang! More Paras. 14-25. It's 15 point lead on UN.
Narinis na yung bola.
Foul on number 3. Penalty on Palomares. First on Palomares. Sub-rep substitution. Basket substitution tayo, pass shooter.
Bisaya man dong.
In and out, Aki. Nice move. Coming from Bernabe. 3 minutes. 15 point lead on UN. It's 40. Against the 25. Di Guzman.
Walang kita oh!
Looking for Bernabe. Guarded by Michael. Now, Norcos. Norcos drive. Norcos zigzag drive. Now, foul. Foul on number 27 on the Guzman. Substitution up. Now you add in penalty. (26 against 40). 14 point lead on University of the North. It's Litran ball, Litran. Out of position, Litran.
Ang aga nyo natapos.
Now, Norcos. Carusale.
Aywa, favorite siya.
Too strong. Tapayaki. Bernabe. Ah, Norcos again. Still Norcos. Make Norcos. Air ball. It's University of the Ball. It's 2 minutes and 13 seconds. 40 against 26. Paras. Bang! On Paras. 42 to 26. Back to 16-point lead on UN.
Zero po tayo, isa lang dito. Po tayo, isa lang tayo.
Carusale. Bang, bang, bang! On Carusale. 29 to 42. Palomares. Paras. Hey. Drive. 14 to shoot. Rebound on Litran. Carusale. It's still 1 minute and 10 seconds. CJ.
Bang.
Carusale. Too strong. Carusale again. Too strong again. Rebound on Bernabe. Now Di Guzman. 1 minute. It's 40 to 29. Sub rep, sub rep, sub.
Gamit oras, oh! Ready?
1 minute and 1 second.
55 seconds. 50. Al number 29 ang Carusale. First ang Carusale. First. Second team foul. Litran.
Second personal foul.
Second ang Carusale. It's 46 seconds. 46. Rebound ng Carusale. 40 seconds. Still by Di Guzman.
Oras, oras!
30 seconds. Bernabe. General. Tap by Michael. Now CJ. Carusale. 25 seconds. It's rolling. Nice defense of Tirang. 20 seconds. 16 seconds.
Nice!
13 seconds. 13.
Okay lang, okay lang!
Para!
10. 3 seconds. 7 seconds. 7.
Carusale.
5. Basket not counted. Basket not count. Basket not counted. It's 42 against 39. All by UN. Fourth quarter ready. Fourth quarter. It's University of the North Ball.
Nice ka nyo?
Isang game na sila? Isang game?
May isa? Ha?
Isang game na sila?
Tanungin mo.
Isang game? Isang game ba sa taas? Isang game? Isang game?
Kaya maaga.
Gamit oras, gamit.
Now Layag. Paras. Looking for Marabella. Bye! Steal. On Mawan. Mawan, Brad. Mawan. Now Manganip. Manganip. Gagawin pipito. Layag. It's Layag. Back to Manganip. Paras. Short. Now Tikong. Looking for the fireman. It's UL Mall. 9 minutes. 15 seconds. Layag.
Gamit oras.
Paras. 10 to shoot. Layag.
Jat. Nice.
Short. Out. Tikong rebound. Now Tikong looking for Mawan. Mawan to steal by fireman. Papaw. Foul on number 29 ng Mintero. First team foul on University of the North. First of Mintero. Fireman. Rebound on UN. Now Paras. 1-1. Back to Mintero. Yes, on Mintero. It's 44 against the 29. It's 15-point lead on UN. Now Pipito. Mawan again. Foul. Foul on Paras. Sabi nyo sa left. Second team foul on University of the North. Ten to shoot. Black by Manganip. 5 to shoot. Black again. Marabilla. Layag. Manganip. Whoa! Manganip. 46 to 29. Now 7 minutes and 39 seconds. 14 to shoot. Pipito.
Score na.
46 nga, 46.
Now Marbella. Vintero.
Baba.
Layag. 14 to shoot.
Ikot.
10. Bang. All Marbella. Now 49-29. 20-point lead on UN.
Sipag pa rin ha, sipag.
Norcos. Looking for Pipito. Candid by Marbella. Foul. Sabi na sa terpa. Foul on number 04 on Marabilla. Third on UN. Sub.
Marbella first.
First on Marabella. Short again on Fireman. Aparas. Manganip. Layag.
Gamit oras.
6 minutes and 20. 14 to shoot. Marabella says match scoop short. Di ba nagan Marabella? Marabella na 14 na 51 to 49. It's 22-point lead on UN. 6 minutes.
Reserve time out.
Tikong. Foul on Layag. Time out. On University of the North. Warning for penalty on UN. It's 51 against the 29. All by University of the North.
Ang pangit ng nilaro ng letra.
2 free throw shots.
Anim kayo.
It's violation. It's 18, 5 minutes, 45 seconds. Isang clock, 18. Foul. Foul on 35 on Norcos. First team foul on Litran.
Norcos second.
Second personal foul against Norcos. Well, Napio. Guzman, 40 to shoot. Cargal. Bernabe. Bang! Bernabe!
Bola ng mga UN.
5 minutes and 20. Pipito. Michael. Looking for Tikong. Tikong, move. Tikong again. Go. Tikong. Foul.
Ang malas ng
Foul on number 15. Now UN and penalty. 2 free throw shot by Tikong.
Magkano 300. Sub.
Balopio.
Reserve sub.
Di Guzman. Kindly by Pipito. Balopio again. 14 to shoot. Foul. Substitution rep. Foul on number 69 on Fireman. Substitution rep.
Fireman second.
Second personal foul on Fireman. Second team foul on Litran. Bernabe. Pangalip. Black by Carusare. 10 to shoot. Kalaykay. Mangalip again. It's kickball. It's Litran ball. Litran. 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ang tapang ng paningin ni Kuya Mike.
Norcos. Pipito.
Ay, smart.
14 to shoot. Sine. 10. Lang. May mangalip. 5 seconds. Whoa! CJ. 31 to 53. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Now, Bernabe. Guarded by CJ. Palomares.
Labas! Layo kayo para layo.
It's 14 to shoot. 14. 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Sa gitna, Pag nag-double team, magkating isa.
Manganit, 1 and 1 against
Nice.
9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Sub rep sub.
Sila.
8 to shoot. 8 to shoot.
Nice!
In and out. Top. Nice stop by Palomares. 14 is at second. 3 minutes and 15.
Screen yung isa.
10. Kalaykay. Bang! Basket count and one on Kalaykoy. Foul on number 20 on Michael.
Michael first.
First on Michael, third on Litron. Now 56 to 31. It's 15-point lead on University of the North.
Oh. Pasa.
It's 14 to shoot, 14.
Sa gilid. Pwede naman sa gitna.
Pipino. 10 to shoot. Michael, open jump, too strong, rebound again. It's University of the Ball, UN ball, Litron ball, Litron.
Last.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. CJ. Tap by Pipino. 14 na set clock. Kadusane. Kadi by Bernabe. Pow! Foul on number 14 on Kalaykay. Penalty left. Penalty.
Kalaykay third.
Third on Kalaykay. Basket substitution there. Basket substitution. In and out, top. Rebound on Paras, Paras. Kadeway Gonzalez.
Isa lang yung shoot nila.
Last 2 minutes. Kalaykay. Block again. 10 to shoot, 10. Paras. 5. Short. Now Norcos. Try by Norcos, official by Norcos. It's 33 against 56. Ah. Stop, rep, stop, rep, stop. Responded, 35. Foul on Norcos, warning for penalty on Litron. Substitution rep, stop.
Marvel.
Marcela.
Sapa?
14 to shoot.
Sapa?
Kalaykay. 10. Karusal eh? Oo. Norcos. Yes, so timeout on University of the North. Now 56 against the 35. It's 21-point lead on UN. 1 minute and 12 seconds.
Isa lang rustas. Isa lang rustas. Isa lang.
Kukis lang at saka.
Bukas, dalawa.
1 minute. 14 to shoot. 10. Paras. Bang, 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 bang. On Paras.
Nice.
40 seconds.
Silim kasi Kalaykay.
30 seconds. 40 to shoot. Marbella. 25 seconds.
Sherwin naman na eh. Ayaw nyo na mag-shoot.
Uy. 15.
Sure for the win, guys.
13 seconds, 13. And the game, our winner is University of the North. It's 59.